Let's look at another pronoun, this time the locative, demonstrative, copulative, which is quite a mouthful. But if you look at these three words, locative tells us place, demonstrative tells us that it's one of three places, and the copulative is the identifying form. In other words, it tells you where something is. So the locative, demonstrative, copulative tells us in which of three places something is. So therefore a three-step process with which you are familiar. So once again we have our nouns with their subject links, and I want you to focus on the difference in the procedure when the subject link is a vowel as opposed to a consonant and a vowel, or two letters. Okay. So here we have umfundi, and we want to say here he is, and we will say nanku. There he is, nanko. There he is over there, nankuya. Abafundi and ba, students, naba, nabo, nabaya. Umti and u, nangu, nango, nanguya. Imiti I, right, again another vowel, nansi, nanso, nansia. Ikaya, home, and li, nali, nalo, nalia. Amakaya and a, nanga, nango, nangaya. Isikolo and izikolo with C and Z function very similarly. So let's go straight to izikolo. Nazi, nazo, nazia. Good. If you look at incwadi with I and imiti with I, we will see that they are identical. Nansi, nanso, nansia. Incwadi, the double I words which also have Z, are not the same as isikolo and Z, in that we, instead of having nazi, we have nanzi. Nanzi, nanzo, nanzia. The rest are easy. The remaining three with lu and bu and ku. So we will go straight to ku, shall we? Na ku, na ko, na kuya. So how do we form these? In most cases, it is na plus the link. Na ku, na bu, na lu, na zi, na li, and so on. But where your subject link is a vowel, that is where you have to be careful, because there's a slight change. So here you have nanku and nangu, and then you have nansi twice, and nanga. And of course be careful of this one over here. As was the case with the demonstrative pronoun, the middle column, the there is column, ends on O, and the final column ends on ya. What you basically do is add whatever you had in the first column, nabu, nabu, ya. Nansi, nansi, ya, ya. And you're communicating the meanings. Here is, there is, and over there is or are. What is important to notice is that the noun is unaffected. No change at all. So in other words, we can have Nancy. Here it is with reference to a book, and if you actually have the book in your hand, you could say Nancy incwadi. Here is the book. Good. I'm sure you won't find that too difficult. Enkosi kakhulu.